Vybz Kartel is probably the most talented dancehall artist you will ever listen to. You know, he's definitely one of my biggest inspirations. When I started writing, he's who I really embodied in my music to be like, yo, he's one of the toughest people. And if Vybz Kartel not gonna write this, Shenseea not writing it either.
So Vybz Kartel fans are giving Shenseea a lot of backlash because she said that Vybz Kartel is probably one of the most talented dancehall artists you will ever listen to. The key word here being probably. They are saying that how dear Shenseea said the word probably. She should have said Vybz Kartel is the most talented dancehall artist you would ever listen to. But guys, you have to remember that Shenseea, she too is a dancehall artist. And she don't want to face the backlash if she went ahead and said that Vybz Kartel is the most talented dancehall artist. You understand? And at the same time, she don't want to seem as if she pick sides, being as if this king of dancehall thing is in the ear, you know? So she just keep it on common grounds. And at the same time, guys, she give Kartel in props because she has a Vybz Kartel one of her biggest influence in music. She has a Vybz Kartel now write no song when no make no sense. So she not go write no song when no make no sense either. And if the song no make no sense, she not go sing it because Vybz Kartel won't sing the song there. You understand? After all, remember say Vybz Kartel Ludi really put Shenseea out there, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Even though the song wasn't given consent by Vybz Kartel, Shenseea still jumped on the track and did her thing. And she made her name for herself. So she still have to always pay homage to Vybz Kartel. You understand? So, I don't think that she meant any harm, guys. I don't think she mean any harm. Yes, we know that Vybz Kartel is the most talented Jamaican dancehall artist. As a matter of fact, not Jamaican. Vybz Kartel is the most talented dancehall artist to ever emerged. Yes. Lyrically, guys, I can tell you, Vybz Kartel is lyrically inclined. I don't see the artist. Anytime any of you guys can bring an artist that can match Vybz Kartel lyrically. I am not talking about no Grammy Awards now, you know. I am not talking about sales. I am not talking about popularity. I am not talking about accomplishment. I am talking about musically. I am talking about lyrics. I am talking about lyrically inclined. You understand? Lyrically inclined, guys. Vybz Kartel is that artist. I love music, guys. And I have looked far and wide to compare somebody lyrically to Vybz Kartel. And I still cannot find that dancehall artist. And trust me, guys, I am coming from the old school. So when I tell you, I have visited the 70s, 80s, 90s, come right up to 2025. And I am yet to find an artist that I can compare to Vybz Kartel lyrically. Lyrically. Understand? So, of course, he is the most talented dancehall artist out there. Until someone come and take his place, and we won't be biased then. We will say, Vybz Kartel, this person is more lyrical than you. You understand? But big up both Shenseea and Vybz Kartel on their Grammy nomination. Because even though they did not win the Grammy Award, guys, they are still winners. Because they are coming from humble beginnings. And to reach where they are now, it is indeed a blessing. Yeah, man, it is indeed a blessing. And I am proud of them. As a Jamaican, I am really proud of their accomplishments. Yes, so even though them not win the Grammy Awards, they are still winners. And guys, the Bob Marley song that got the awards, because a lot of persons don't understand about Grammy Awards, you know. They're thinking that it's a song them go take up from a long time and just give it award. A song of Bob Marley and just give it award. No. The song was a soundtrack in the Bob Marley movie. So therefore, the song was streaming. And it streamed probably more, it is not probably, it's 3 more than Shensea and Vybz Kartel. So therefore, it has to get the Grammy. You understand? Yes. So, big up to Shenseea, big up to Vybz Kartel. Guys, no come down to hard pan Shenin. Don't come down to hard pan her because I don't have understand. She say she's in the media, she's in the limelight, she's a dancehall artist. She can't just say any and everything out of her mouth like that. She has to be careful. Because when me and you can say Vybz Kartel are the baddest artists out there, Shenseea them can't say it because they might go face backlash from other artists. You understand? And she don't want no bad blood. Yeah, man. I'm not like, guys. Shenseea, she look good on the carpet. She represent for Jamaica and dancehall very well. She represent for Jamaica and dancehall very well. We could talk about that. She come out nice and clean and proper. She never come out like a skittle. You understand? Yeah, man. The girl look good. Shenseea big up a nice, clean self. Vybz Kartel, my heart goes off to you every time. You deserve everything good that is happening to you right now. Yeah, man, and nobody can take that from you. But guys, let me know in the comments if you think that Shenseea should have just went ahead and said that Vybz Kartel is the most talented dancehall artist, or you think that what she said, nothing is wrong with it, saying that he's probably one of the most talented dancehall artists. Let me know what you think. But for me, I don't see anything wrong with what she said. Even though Vybz Kartel is the most talented dancehall artist out here. But I understand. Yeah, man. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. What good? Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. I'm out.
The Scoop.